Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. So you guys asked for it and I'm giving it to you. It's been a little while since I did my everyday looks of the week, so I thought I would do it for my fashion followers. I actually had a lot of fun doing it. It's been a little while since I did it and it was fun. Comment down below, let me know which outfit is your favorite. So we're gonna jump right into this video. Enjoy. So this is today's outfit. I am about to head out, go to a meeting, and then I'm going to meet up with my sister afterwards. It is pretty warm outside. Recently we've been having some warm weather in Montreal, and when I say warm, it's anything above -5, so that's great. The only thing I would say is it's been sort of gray, not a lot of sun, so I thought I would do an all black look. So I'm going to start off with the bottom all the way to the top. I got these boots a few years ago at Dolls Kill. I have worn these to death. I love them. They are my go-to shoes when it comes to just having a platform that you're comfortable in, but that it gives you height. So we love a good platform for that. Moving on to my purse, I got this at a thrift store, and you guys are probably going to be seeing it in one of my next haul. It is so beautiful. It has all this beaded detailing on it. So pretty. I thought I would add a little boho to my grunge look. I don't know, it just adds a little pop of boho, and I love that. Like I mentioned to you guys, I love grunge in the winter, but boho in the summer. But sometimes I just love adding little pops here and there. And I find it does go with all the other hardware that I'm wearing. It has some silver and a mix of gold, so it goes with my jewelry, and I just love this purse. Moving on to my pants, I got these from Zara. They are like loose-fitting trouser pants. They're high-waisted, super comfortable, my go-to pants when it comes to trousers. I think everybody needs a good pair of trousers or even a black blazer in their wardrobe. It's definitely a must. Then I went with this simple long sleeve tee that I got a few years ago from Forever 21. So I decided to wear a harness over my tee, and I got this from a company called Savania Studio, and she does the most beautiful harnesses, belts as well, fringe belt, you name it. She has so many beautiful pieces to choose from. I also added these sort of chains to give a whole grunge look. They are from a company called Stinnies, and they have different jewelries and accessories. Super cool. So moving on to the coat part, I decided to layer it up, and I went with my faux leather Zara jacket. I put this overlay vest, and it is from H&M. I wore my jewelry. You guys already know it. It's from Ana Luisa. Each piece, I'm not wearing any other jewelry. And then, of course, I had to top it off with a hat, and I went with a beret, and I got this a couple years ago from Simon's, and I had added this little faux fur pom-pom. I just thought it added a little, I don't know, wintry vibe to my beret. So that's it, guys. This is today's outfit. I'm about to head out, run a few errands. I'm meeting up with one of my girlfriends, and we're going to do a little bit of some shopping today. It is sunny outside. I thought I would dress to the occasion, a little sunny outfit. So we're going to start from the bottom up. Shoes are from Matisse Footwear. They're like these suede, sort of Western looking boots. Super comfortable. I know I'm going to be walking all day, so I just wanted to stay comfortable. Then I have this two-piece set on, and this is from Scotch and Soda. I also got this a few years ago. It ties at the waist, super lightweight, super comfortable. They feel like I'm wearing pajamas. And then I layered it up with a turtleneck from Simon's, and this coat is also from Simon's. Both of them, I got them, I would say, a few years ago. So I thought I would pull it out of the closet. I haven't worn it in a little while, and I think today's the perfect day to wear it. Moving on to the purse, you guys saw this in one of my thrift hauls. It's this super cute faux leather crocodile purse, and it's just perfect so my hands can be free, so I can have full of things in my hands and not worry about where my handbag is. So love this purse. And then my Urban Outfitters cowboy hat. I say cowboy hat. I sort of molded it with my steamer to look like a cowboy hat. Usually it's like more of a flat brim, but it's more of a fedora. This is my look. Good morning. I'm about to head out. I am going to see my mom. I haven't seen her in a little while, so I'm super excited. I am heading there. Thought I would be a little comfy, but still cute and stylish. I'm doing a little pop of color just because it's a sunny day outside, and why not, right? I'm gonna start from the bottom to the top. So shoes I got, I believe it was this year. I got them at Urban Planet. Just little sneakers with a platform, super comfortable. I think that they pair perfectly with some trousers or even some jeans, just casual look, or if you want to tone down a look. So these trousers I got from Naked. I got them, I would say maybe 2 years ago. They're like a hot pink. Love these. They fit super nice, high-waisted, and then there's like a belt at the top there. Moving on to my Rolling Stone t-shirt. I got it at Winners recently. You're probably going to see it in one of my hauls that I'm going to be doing. And then we're going to move on to, actually no, we're going to move on to the coat. Coat I got from Nasty Gal. I love the whole oversized look of it. It is a little bit on the bigger side, but I still love it. I think that the boxy shoulders gives a whole, just a more edgier look to my outfit. Then moving on to my purse, I am going with my Juicy Couture backpack. Love it. It's this cute little heart. I've had it for about a year now. It's my go-to bag. Moving on to my hat with the little spikes on it. This is from Jacqueline Michie. I have several of her hats. Love them. So this is my look. Good morning. So this is today's outfit. I'm about to head out. I am going to do some thrift shopping. I'm probably going to film a video, so I'm super excited. I love a good thrift shopping day. So I'm going to start from the bottom to the top. I am wearing my platform Converse sneakers. Super comfortable. I want to be comfortable because I will be standing for a little while. I'm wearing my jeans, my high-waisted jeans from H&M, and they have like these shredded holes at the knees. Super comfortable as well. Then I'm wearing this top. It has like these cute little flowers, like pink and beige flowers on it. And it has like a button up here. And I found it at Winners. I ended up paying it 10 bucks. So I'm super happy about this one. It's comfortable. It's long sleeves. And then moving on to my hoodie. I got this at H&M. It's just a plain black hoodie. Coat, you saw this is from Shein. I just love pink these days. It's just so spring, and I just thought that it would just look perfectly. I went to go get the little pink flowers in my shirt, and I wanted to then add a little harsh color, which is the black, and I put the black Converse. Then I went with my cute little boucle purse that I found at Winners. Beige, love it. Neutral color, I think it goes with everything. It's just one of those bags that I wear all the time as well with all of my, monochromatic looks. And then I finished it off with a little beanie hat to match my purse. So I just thought everything tied in perfectly together. Just a casual look, but I'm comfortable and I am ready to shop. So let's go. Hey loves, I'm about to head out, run a few errands. I'm probably going to do some grocery shopping, just things that I need around the house. It's one of those days I'm just going to run errands and then come back, catch up on work, and so I want to be comfortable. I'm going to start off from the bottom to the top. Sneakers are from Vans. The joggers and the hoodie top are from H&M. Coat is from Zaful, which I got, I believe, like many years ago. And that's why I'm a hoarder, guys. This is why I keep things, because you never know when you might need it again. Then moving on to my purse, this is Pajar. It's sort of like a quilted, hands-free, has this cute little pouch here, so you can put your cards here and then your change. I just think it gives a whole, sporty look to my outfit. And what I love too is that it's hands-free, especially when I run errands. It's happened to me where I just laid my purse there and then I couldn't find where I put it. So for a person like me, these are just the perfect bags. Moving on to my hat, I got this hat, oh my gosh, many years ago. I got it from Urban Planet. I think I had paid it like $5, and I just love the whole houndstooth right now. I'm just feeling that. So I thought it would just sort of break up the whole gray look and then just put a little white and black pop on the top here. And yeah, so this is today's look. Happy Saturday, guys. So this is today's look. I'm heading out. It is my father-in-law's birthday, so we are going to his house to do a little celebration, me and my husband, and I thought I would dress it up a little bit. I'm going to start off from the bottom to the top like I normally do. Shoes are from a Doll's Kill. I love a good platform, and pretty much all my platforms are from Doll's Kill. I just think that they give like a whole edgy look to this outfit. So I decided to keep it all in the plaid, but my purse. I thought it would add a little quirky twist to my outfit and just add a little cow print. This purse is from Urban Outfitters. Moving on to my dress. I got this a few years ago. It was thrifted, and it has this sort of little bow at the top here. It's an oversized, but I decided to cinch it in at the waist. So underneath, I layered it up with a blazer that I also thrifted, and then put on a belt to cinch it in at the waist, and this is also from a thrift store. So pretty much everything that's inside the coat is thrifted. Moving on to the plaid coat, I got this, I would say maybe 2 years ago. I got it at Winners, and the reason why I got it is it went perfectly with my shoes. Matched perfectly. Moving on to my hat, I got this in the kids section at a thrift store, and I must have paid it maybe $2. I thought it was super cute. It had that whole schoolgirl vibe. So this is my Saturday look. So this is today's outfit. I'm about to head out with my husband. We're gonna run some errands. I feel like I'm doing errands all the time. That's all I do is run errands, honestly. So I'm wearing my comfy boots. You saw these in my haul. I got them from Zara. Super comfy. The reason why I'm wearing them is it's snowing outside. We got a huge snowstorm here. So I decided to put these ones because they're sort of made out of rubber and they're just perfect for the snow. Moving on to my jumpsuit. I got this from Scotch and Soda. It's super cute. It has like print on it, super comfortable. That's exactly what I wanted to do when I'm running some errands. Moving on to my purse. You also saw this in one of my hauls. I got it at H&M. I ended up paying it $20. Every time I wear these boots, I wear this purse with it. I just think they match perfectly. I don't believe that purses have to absolutely match your shoes, but I just think that it works well by adding other pops of color, and then it sort of ties everything in with these two colors that are very similar. Moving on to my coat, I got this from a thrift store a few years ago. Then I put this faux fur vest on, and it is from, I believe I got it from Zaful or Shein a few years ago. So I put a hoodie underneath, and this is from H&M. It's in the men's department. I just wanted an oversized hoodie, but my husband's are way too big for me. I know some people love to share clothing with their husbands. That can never work for us. He's just way too big. I mean, I would look like a crazy lady wearing his clothes. And my hat is from H&M. So yeah, guys, this is my Sunday look. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to say a big thank you to each and every one of you for all your beautiful comments, your messages, and I'm going to keep on saying it. I know I keep repeating myself. I sound like a broken record, but that's just the way it is. So I love you guys. Have an amazing day, week, whenever this video goes out. I love you guys so much. Mwah.